Yo, yo, yo. Let me just test this out. Make sure everybody can hear me right now.
Oh yeah, you on?
Yeah, I'm on stream now. Hold on, let me move this. Get on that stream. Everybody get up on that stream, yo. For real. It's gonna go live. Here it is, 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Y'all know what time it is.
Damn. Oh hell yeah.
You know what time it is. It's 8 o'clock. I gotta turn my music down a little bit, just a little bit. So I can talk.
Like the fucking video.
Okay.
Okay, when you drop this. Okay. Keep
Alright.
jump in.
Let's see what we got going on, y'all.
Oh my god, look at that.
Alright, let's see.
Yo, I see you over here.
See what we got going on. What's up, gang, gang, gang? Let's go. Let's get it. It's time for trading. Alright. Yo, I'm gonna put the music on in just a second. I got some things I need to discuss real fast. Alright. Let's go to the charts real quick. Real fast. Let's get this thing started. Alright. Cause I got up a little late. Just a little bit. Should have been up a little earlier. But I need to see what the team got going on. Let me check the sick group. Yeah, we got news at 8:30. It's 8:04 right now. We got news at 8:30. So we got a good 26 minutes before news kicks in. So let's just see what we might be able to get today. Alright, let's see. Alright. Let's talk about it, y'all. Because I wasn't on the stream yesterday. But today, let's see what she did yesterday. Alright. We got these 3 bearish daily candles. So we've been moving down for the past 3 days. Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. Just to see. Let's just do a little quick recap, y'all, for real. Where I left you guys off at. Let's talk about it. Here. I wasn't on the stream yesterday, but the day before yesterday, the signal that I did put out, we got in at 24.13. You guys could have held that trade all the way through the day before yesterday, all day yesterday. I don't even know what was that? Let me just check it. Let me do a measuring real quick. 24.13. Man, prediction was an 879 pip move. Getting in at 24.13. My bad, y'all. 24.13. That moved 879 clicks, y'all. 879 clicks. You're seeing it for yourself. If you would have got in at 24.13 on Wednesday, from where I told you to get in at, I even gave you guys another position, right? Like hypothetically, market, if we get in right here, market should continue down. Remember, if you go back to the stream on Wednesday, you see I had my targets down here, right? Gold really outperformed herself. We actually smashed these targets. And let me show you something else. I had targets down here too. Those got hit. That got hit. This one got hit. All my targets, my predictions were smashed. Every last one of them. From Wednesday to today. That's just amazing. Alright. We've already talked about this. I already said to y'all Wednesday that she was going to hit these targets. All you had to do was just pay attention. And yes, she came down and she hit every target. Now let's chase her. Let's see why. Why did she stall here and reverse? Like, why didn't she keep pushing down? Right? Let's catch and see what would be a reason for us to do a reversal here. Usually the catcher, I basically just put like a horizontal line at the bottom, the last price point that it hit, and then look left and see what did she hit in the wave, previous wave. Well, she hit this order block right here. This bad boy. Right? Off that order block. And it looked like there was a little insufficiency in price also. Let's check that out. Remember, guys, everything that they're doing here in the trading world is purposely done. There are no accidents in trading. They're purposely moving price from one insufficiency or gap or whatever you want to call it, fair value gap, and then they're just moving to the other side, right? They bounce off of it and move. And you can see here they did it. All of this, I wouldn't have chose any of these as entries areas because they were my targets. All right, these were just targets that I was aiming for, these price areas, which she did smash. You know, I wish I was on the stream yesterday. I had an appointment with the VA. You know, that's very important. So, you know, I had to take a day off. But it's okay. You don't got to trade every day. You can come here, you know, when you can. Get as much money as you want. It's available to you. Alright. But looking at this, look what she did. You see this gap here? She actually did come down and take this gap. She took all of these guys out. But let me show you. Right here. This gap here. This whole gap, you slide it over. Boom, look what they did. They reversed. So I'm thinking like, hey, they came down here to free up some money because they were in drawdown in this candle over here. They never came back and got this money. It took some time, you know, before they did it because this was like May 9th and it's the 24th. So it took some time to come back and free up this liquidity and then reverse. Maybe they cut on some contracts here. Who knows? They picked up money. We don't know. We just know that I can see that they reversed here at this order block here. And there was a gap too above it. So, you know, they reversed. So let's keep going. Let me see. All right. See something else? As a trader, your job is to investigate the markets because they left footprints and we want to see what they did. Another fair value gap there. Okay, so now that everything has been hit, all I really want to do now is just investigate and see where we could be going now. We have news in 6 minutes. So I basically want to clean this chart up and see what happened, because they slipped a lot coming down. These targets were hit. Just move them out the way real quick. Looking at this market right now, I wouldn't buy this market up because the price action looks really good on the way coming down. There are a few gaps here, and I just want to mark, keep my eyes on. Strong possibility of them coming up here to fill these gaps. But let's look and see what's below. This is below. Let's look left some more. Maybe we'll find something else. Boom. We got a lot more going on. Let's keep investigating. See what's happening. Y'all, when I investigate, I look left a lot. I feel like you need to look left to see where you've been, so you can know where you're going. And 9 times out of 10, the theory says that markets will fill these gaps. So I'm looking at these as my point of interest areas. Man, y'all get to see me today. What's up, man? It must be a good day. It's a good Friday. Y'all get to see me on Friday. Y'all ain't seen me all week. For real, I ain't had my camera on. I cut it on sometimes. Oh, we already got it. Alright, so let's look at it. I mean, there's still some more gaps over here on the 1 hour. Let's go, let's go. Alright, for sure, for sure. Alright, y'all. All I'm doing is finding the insufficiencies in price. I'm also looking at the wave, how she is moving. Y'all, this whole thing up here, like, just looking at this, this market, we're in a distribution stage. Alright? It's a distribution stage, y'all. Alright, let's get it, let's get it. All we doing is riding the catcher. So we got news. I'm sorry, I thought it was 6 minutes, but it's not. I looked at it wrong. We still got a good 14 minutes for news, y'all. Alright. I'm just looking to see what we might get. So, all of this that happened, these guys are out. All these stop loss got hit here. Hopefully these guys took some profits on the way up, right? Hopefully they did, but, you know, it's not the point though here. The point is that they got the positions, they're out of their positions now. All these people here are out of their positions here. Okay? And we're looking to see what's next. We got some insufficiency up here too. All of this is the past stuff, just in case you're new to the stream and you haven't been on here before. All of this stuff here is past, right? These are just my predictions that I've done along the way. I keep them on there so that I can, you know, my eyes can just see exactly where I've been. That's all. And, you know, it helped me with the story too, so. All right. Let's get it popping, y'all. Still waiting on that news. News has to come in and show me a thing or two. It hasn't yet, so let's just be patient. They had a little gap here. They still haven't closed above it. They're rejecting. Come on, big boys, make a move. Let's see what they did on 5 minute. When I look over here to the left, look at their price action. Everything is filled. Everything's filled nicely, except for when you get over here. When you get over here, in this area here, I'll show you. Here. Everything else was great. Everything's good. Everything's looking good. You guys see that? It's looking good. But they stalled here, and then they did a quick push up to sell. This candle is the candle I want to see them come back into later in the future. So we're just going to mark that, because that candle is now in drawdown. Dang it. Give me my stuff. Alright, right here. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I want to see. In the future, I want to see her come back to that. It kind of was reaching up to it. And then there was a little, no little gap. Here it is, push up, down candle. But it didn't take liquidity. Look left. Hold on, let me show you guys. This one went up and pushed down, and now they're coming back. So they came back into this candle here. This one. But I wanted to see them come up here, but if they don't, it's cool. We all good in the neighborhood. If they don't. Okay. So on the higher time frame, the 1 hour, that gap, they did get up in this gap and they pushed, and then I want to see them break below these lows, right? I gotta wait on news, guys. You don't want to trade before the news. You want to wait and see, but sometimes you might get that, they might show their hand a little earlier than the news, like right before the news. Alright. So we're just gonna wait and see what's happening. To be honest though, my honest opinion is that we will continue down on this market. Look at all these pointed entrances here. that I marked up. I can honestly see her still coming back down. We have a lot of still, I didn't even mark down here in the lower areas, right? There's still fair value gaps or insufficiency in price below. I don't know, whichever one you want to call it. Imbalance, some people call it imbalance. It's insufficient, y'all. Basically meaning that price only have one-sided play. Look, all of these were buys, right? This is a one-sided play. There's no black candles or no wicks filling these insufficiencies, you know, imbalances in price, nothing. So that's what makes it insufficient. You need a two-way market. You need buyers and sellers to play this game. Looking at this market, I said we look like we're in a distribution stage. If you don't know what that is, I suggest you start doing your studying and looking it up. I'm not here to really teach. I'm really here to trade. But I mean, in a sense, I am kind of teaching you too. All right. Just gotta make sure everything is going good. You guys can still hear me? All right, cool. We still got time, y'all. Plenty of time, y'all. I do see, you know, gold continuing to the downside, even though we're getting this little bullish push here. But we still got liquidity below. You get this money in this wick here. This here. Because they took the lows, pushed down, took every, you know, stops or whatever, and then reversed. So there's money here. Money sitting in that wick. Let's see what else we got. All of this liquidity here, like I said, I'm aiming for that too. Now, she does push back up, do a little slight retest. That's okay, that's fine. I know she's coming down though. It's just a matter of time before she does it. Just keep looking. See all these gaps here. Strong possibility of getting back up in these areas. She already did. Tapped into it right there. Into this candle here. So she tapped into this candle here with this candle. See it come up, tap, boom, with the wick. This could be a area that you could sell at to continue down. But again, now we have 4 minutes until the news. I want to see what news does. So we're going to keep our eye on this area here. And we do have, like I said, this area is a gap here, but when you go down to the 1 hour, it's filled. Everything is filled. Except for this, and that, right? Other than that, everything else is pretty good. I'm not seeing us like break above this area. Like we haven't closed above this insufficiency in price. We just been lagging here. So we want to see what we're doing there. Let me go to the 5 minute. I ain't gonna lie though, this market looked really good. If I was gonna short this thing, let's see how many pips it would be to short it. Y'all don't don't do it. Don't do it, yo. Alright, this looks good. Actually does look okay based off the 5 minute. I don't really go down to 1 minute that often. It'd be too choppy for me. But you can still see like how they're moving on the 1 minute. This long push down to the downside here. Last candle here. Never know, she could come up to this area here. It kind of did it here, so we took out these guys, so they're stopped out. Took out the lows, those guys are stopped out. But I like to watch it on the 5 minute. It's too choppy. Too choppy. I see we got a whole lot of buyers trying to buy this market back up. I'm not too quite sure that we're going to get that. It doesn't look like we might get that buy up, but we'll see. We got 2 minutes before the news. Let's let the news kick in real quick. Go back to the hour real fast. Still looking for that hand of theirs. Just doing a little top down real quick to see if I see anything on any other. Oh. Got up in there. Insufficiency in price with the reversal. Right? It could go. Could be a reason to take all these guys out, these buyers out. Right? All these guys gotta go. She stalled, pushed up a little bit, continued down. I mean, we could get the sell to the downside here, y'all. Like, I don't see this market going up. I'm currently inside of a fair value gap. This is where they're playing at right now, based off of the 1 hour. Let's see. It does look good though. Cause I just see a lot of people buying this market, trying to get this market to go up, and now she's falling. Look at that news. Look at that news. Quick push to the downside. What's this, 123 pips? So news is now kicking off, y'all. We got news kicking off. Let me go to the group real quick. What did they do? Came all the way down. Took these guys out. Took these. Oh no, they didn't get to this little gap down here. But they were trying. They pushed it. I want to see what she do. Could we buy this market back up? Coming back up to this line here that I put, 23.46. Or will we just continue to the downside? Because look, let's look at the 1 minute, see what they just did. Boom. Oh, there's money in the wick now. Money. Let's see, they got these guys, almost those guys, a little bit of those guys. Here. Alright, now we got all this liquidity above, including this. It's just a 1 minute. You just, quick markup on the 1 minute. Boom. Eyes. See you. Alright. Let's go. Give me a second, guys. I'm just analyzing real quick. Alright. It doesn't take much to analyze this. Let's see. It was 30 clicks out, guys. From this price of 23.40. I think we're still gonna get a push to the downside. We didn't get into this insufficiency in price here, and these guys are still holding on strong. So, and then there's this down here at 23.25. Yeah, I would love to see her get further down. Just in case you didn't know, gold was a female. Gold is a female, y'all. Let's just look and see what we got. Oh, a bunch of rejections. That's nice. That's actually pretty good there. That's not bad. 23.37. So we have 23.37 right now. 23.35. We're gonna do for aim for 23.33. That's if we put in for this 3.31. Let's just see. So how many clicks back is that? 23.44. Okay, so it's 23.44 there. Hey, Captain, give me back my gold. All right, let's see. Could we get up? And there's a lot. She would have to push a lot to get up there, but we could be heading that direction. Let me check. I mean, we did break the trend on a lower time frame. Strong possibility of that. Then this would be the entry. Maybe. Just maybe. Right there, and then, you know, maybe keep it tight, because I don't want to lose. If I am wrong, I don't want to lose a lot, you know. I'm gonna do this shit live for y'all real quick. Come on, news. They just showed a little bit of their hand here, right? By taking out these lows. So they took out everybody that was here, you know. Usually rule of thumb is they'll take one side, they'll reverse take the other side, and then they'll move into their, you know, direction that they really want to go in. So let's see if we can get it. I want to get up in here, but the 23.39 price is looking pretty good. I just want to see more. I need more data to make sure that I'm right. Because they took these lows here. They didn't get up here and take these guys out. So these guys still have let me point it out. These guys here still have stop losses above. Right, here's our last push up before the down move, and she continued down. So I mean, to be honest, this market could continue to the downside. I mean, more data would let me know like whether she want to continue up or come down. This here kind of is initiating that that markets just took some liquidity and could pop up. You feel me? Could get up to this line that I have here. We look loud. Remember, I marked this up here. Let me move this out of the way. It's in my way. Okay. We had this here marked up. But what did she just do here? You know, she's taking liquidity, but is she done? We still got all of these guys that are still sitting their little happy selves in profit. What if we were to sell this market down? Take all these guys out? Do we want to aim for them? Or do we want to aim for all the folks that was selling yesterday and go get them all the way over here? What do we want to do, guys? What do we want to do? Well, I'm waiting on her to make a move. I'm thinking that this could be the move here to initiate the buys. So I got a bias. I got an idea of where she could sell. And I also have a bias on where she could go to for the sell. And then I have a way of her going up because of this candle here. If it wasn't for this candle, I would be thinking that she was falling. But because she made that move here, boom, I think we could go ahead and buy up at 23.40. I want to see her get up some more. Let me see what's happening on the 1 hour. I have not put the signal out yet, guys. I'm just looking for an area of where I could, that looks good, but where we could get in. So this P&L, don't look at this just yet. It's there, but I'm still investigating. I want to see. Let's see. We do got a gap here. Small one. Very, very small one, but hey, small gaps matter. All right. We got 20 minutes before this 1 hour candle close. That news didn't do too much. I mean, it did a little push, but nothing too crazy. Push 50 clicks. No, I think we should. She could push a lot more than that, guys. So let's see. Will we take this market back up? Let me check the 5 minute real quick. Strong possibility. We got this here. Now we should be moving up. So 23.40 would be more of a here, and then the lows here. Oops. I don't know. Let me just double check it. I don't know how low is that? Right below that low, which would be like 52 pip. Drawdown. We can come here, hit these targets here. Maybe we can come up. Come back up here somewhere. I really didn't want to buy this market due to the overall, what is it? We're moving down. We haven't broke the trend to the upside. We're still moving down. But it doesn't mean that we can't go up though, you know. So I'm just looking for a position. I'm trying to see if I was to buy this market, what would be my targets? My targets would be this one and then this one, which is 100 clicks up. But if I was to sell this market, above that high, which is like 36 clicks, taking her down to here, maybe even lower, you know, right? Because of this gap here, she still haven't closed above, y'all. Y'all see that? We still ain't got no closure above. I want to see her close above. What do we got? 17 minutes on the 1 hour. All right. Well, let's see. Can we? Let me update my group real quick. And 40, 45. And stop loss would be, what would my stop be if I was to take this trade? It's a 50 pip stop, so 23.35. Gives us a little bit of room, not much, but I just want to see her break above here. Will we get it? I would love to see it come down. There's a lot going on below. But where's my other now it says right here. And this one's only like 30 clicks out, 36 clicks out. This is not bad. This one will have to go 50 clicks, which is not really like it's far out, 40 something clicks out, but you know. Let me check the hourly real quick. Let me check the 4 hour. How many hours we got? We have 15 minutes before the closure of this candle. We could actually see her come back up higher, somewhere up here, 23.58. I might be underestimating myself, but I need to see the move first so I can know which way she's going to go. She did tap into liquidity here. Stalling. Got a little push down, but didn't quite get down where I wanted her to go. So it's still a waiting game, y'all. It's still a waiting game. Sometimes you gotta wait, y'all. Sometimes you just gotta sit here and wait. Do your investigations. Make the story sound make it sound good to you. And then let me see what's happening. 5 minutes. All right, look like we're gonna get that 5-minute sale. There we go. All right. For those that's in my Telegram group right now, what is it? Where are we at here? 41. We'll see if this one might play out, y'all. Let go. It's done. I'm gonna go with it just to see what happened. Let's go. We're gonna get in the game. This one is invalid. We're going with this one. At the 23.38, we're gonna take it down, aim for all of these guys here. So get ready for money. Money. All right. Let's see if we can catch this. All right. We got a 34 pip stop here. at 23.41. As you guys can see, if you're in my Telegram group, let me just go ahead and shoot it to you. Oh, if you're in the Telegram group, you now can see, take a picture of this real quick, copy the links for the guys that want to check this out, the chart. This is the before prediction. Let's go. Just drop this in there with the group. Nice. Just want to see, maybe we can continue getting this push to the downside, guys. I really want to see that. Look, I want to see us continue down. Remember, there's money in the wick, so I want to aim for this wick, bottom wick here. And also, when I look left, I see there's insufficiency in price. So let's go ahead and mark that. Target. Y'all see that? This is a target here. And then we got what? More targets here. I want to aim for these guys too. More insufficiency in price. So let's see if we can get that. Trade for the day. And then we're done. The group has now got the trade. If you're in the SIC group, you do have the trade. Getting in at price 23.38. If this trade doesn't go or pan out the way I want it to pan out, it's okay, guys. It's all right. I'm here all day, every day, you know, every week, trading, finding new positions. If a position doesn't work out for me, it's okay. I move on to the next thing. I just want to see if she does hit me. I'm out 34 clicks. What's 34 clicks? Nothing compared to, you know, what I'm accustomed to getting every day on these markets. I lose small but win big, guys. So it's not like let me bring this down here. That's 100 clicks that way. 100 clicks this way. If she does continue to move up, that's fine. That means that I'm just gonna have to catch her on the upside. I just got this below, above these. The stop loss is above the, let me move this. My stop is right here above these areas of stop losses. Here's liquidity right there sitting there. We'll see if we can get this push to the downside. If not, then hey, it is what it is. Y'all, we've been smashing the markets all fucking week, y'all. We've been smashing these markets all week. All week. Don't worry about the L's. Just worry about playing your game. Don't worry about what anybody else is doing. Just play your game. I'm actually just gonna set this here, set it and forget it, guys. That's pretty much it. I just want to see her push down some. She did. She broke this area here, taking these guys out. So I like to make the story make sense to myself. If it makes sense to me, it'll make sense to y'all on the stream. Let's see, we took these guys. Still stalling. Could we still be falling, or could we be rising? Well, we broke the trend over here with this candle here, according to the 5-minute trend. We did come down and take these guys and these two guys. So that kind of is good enough to solidify the move, y'all. Like, to say, hey, sellers is in the market. Based off of them grabbing this bottom liquidity here, we could see her continue to the downside. Or you could see her move up. One or the other, y'all. I'm telling you, we only got 2 ways to go in this market. just do your analysis, and then if it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. Who cares? If it does play out, good. You know, move on to the next analysis. It's always good to watch your analysis play out. I watch my analysis play out a lot. I have no real emotion to this anymore. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I just trade. Everything good on the stream? Yeah, we still good. Let me double check, make sure everything great. Okay, everything's still good here. I hope everybody's feeling good today. It's Friday, last day of the trading day. You know, everybody get to take a rest, go do something for the weekend, spend time with your loved ones. You've been glued to your charts all week. Glued to these charts all week, y'all. Just need gold to play out. This is the analysis for today. This is also the trade that has been dropped in the SIT group too. So if you are in the SIT group, and if you're not in the SIT group, I suggest you sign up for the SIT group. The link is in the description. Hit the Telegram below, and you're in. It's free. It's free. I dropped this trade in there today. You can go look for yourself. All right. Usually when I do a markup like this, and I feel really good and comfortable about it, most likely it's going to play out, guys. You know, I investigated a lot. If I'm wrong, it's okay. I'll continue investigating and figure out where did I go wrong at. Like I said, I have some points of interest up here. Let me show you. Here is my points of interest right there. Right, that's another one. I got my eyes on that. I got my eyes on this one over here. You feel me? So, you know, this can go anywhere, but it won't be able to move without me seeing what's going on. All right. So, liquidity grabs. All right, that's what we aiming for. And this wick thing here, man, don't let them fool you, yo. Because she did grab liquidity, but strong possibility of just continuing down, grabbing more liquidity. This might not be enough, because my thing is, if it was enough, why didn't it come down, snatch all the way up, and continue up? If they grabbed the liquidity here, why they just didn't continue? Maybe they're not done. Maybe there's some more money below. Monies below, right? We got money here, 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 here. And then now we got money in this wick because these people, you know, push this market up. So there's money sitting all in here. So I'm just waiting. This is a waiting game now, y'all. Let's see if this market will continue to the downside or will it continue up. Either way, doesn't matter really to me. Just going to let the analysis play how I want to play out now. It's already set. It's in stone. I'm going to go with it. I do, like I said again, I do have a analysis of my eyes looking at this area here. But instead of trying to like wait until they get up in this area, you know, and then it continues to move without me, setting proper risk, y'all. Just set proper risk. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Proper risk management goes a long way in the trading game if you understand it. I know a lot of people talk about that, but they don't really break it down. Like, guys, you can lose 70% of the time and still be winning. If you get that, then if you know, you know. You know? But let's just let this do whatever it's going to do. I'm just going to set an alert. What is this? 34 clicks out. And usually my my stop loss is probably about like 30, maybe 20 to 50 clicks out. If you know, the 50 clicks will probably be the most that I'm gonna let the trade go in the negative. Just trying to set an alert right here. Alright, if she does stop me out, it's okay. Alright, guys. Just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Like I said, this up here looks good. This could have been an entry point. Could have waited, you know, and got up in this area. Or I could have waited till she got up here to this line, 23.48. Either one, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go for the sales right now. Alright, there it is. And this is the same trade again that's in the Telegram group, so do not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Feel the need I have to say that. You know what I'm saying? I might have to say that sometimes. Some of y'all out here risking it for the biscuit. Alright. A lot of people are buying this market right now. A lot of people are buying. But will we continue down? Well, I have to watch it right here. There's a lot of rejections to the upside. You know, they rejected to move up. Possibility of continuing down too. But it could move up too. I doubt it though. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna move up. I just did my analysis. I'm good. I'm good. I'm gonna let this sit and cook. You feel me? If you look at the daily moved up a little bit, but look at how we overall are moving. This candle could reverse to the downside. You know what I'm saying, guys? And aiming for liquidity below. There's lots of liquidity below. All of these targets here is liquidity for me. Alright. She could continue to the downside. Or, guys, we could come up here and then, you know, do our little dance and then fall. You just never know, right? You just gotta watch the markets. Where are we at right now? We're still at our area, 2339 area. Let me see, 1 hour. Show your hands so I can play with you. Might take this area here. Just might. You never know. I had buys set up to go up. If I had buys, this would have been one of my targets here. So if we do have to change reverse areas, directions, I'm never married to a direction, guys. If I'm wrong, if I can pretty much calculate based off of a lower time frame if I'm wrong. Let's see the move down. There it is, right here. They did it on the 5 minute. That's what's gonna make it tricky, because they moved up. They did it real slickly right here on the 5 minute. I don't know if y'all can see that. Here it is. After this push down, they moved up. And then they engulfed here. See? Just a little investigation goes a long way. What are we at? Like,
the best tech solutions
like
for
20, we went about 24 clicks out. But she went up, she took this, that. I want to see her get up here and take all of these little wicks out, though. That would have been so nice. Take the little wicks out. We're just waiting. We're just waiting, waiting, waiting. Usually I'll be done trading by 9 o'clock. But, you know, we should get that 9 o'clock volume coming in. 9:30 volume coming in. So I decided to sit here with you guys for a little longer today. Still waiting. Does look good. It does look good. It's just this scrambled area right here. I wanted to see, like, maybe they take out these highs here and then we get a nice little reversal because they took the lows, so maybe we could take the highs. Up here, like I said, this would have been a really good probably area to enter at versus where I'm at. I'm in the traffic. It's above all of that. What I'm looking at now is just institutional levels. When I put the Fibonacci on something, I'm just looking at the institutional level in that candle. This would be the institutional level here. So, strong possibility of getting up there. That's another point of interest I want to look at. If I'm wrong, this is where I want to look to see taking the next shot. So I'll take, you know, a couple shots to see what's up. If she does push and knock me out of this trade, then I'm aiming for this up here. And let me show you how I'm going to do that. Just never know. How many clicks is that up from the stop? It's like 20. So about like 50 clicks is usually what I'm going for, like up here. Above this high is 58 clicks. It's really up there, right? But for the group, the stop is at 2341. We're very, very close to that. And we probably get hit on that one. Let's see. 23, what is it? 2341. Right there. Yeah. Due to this right here is now making me like, oh wait, we could be going up now. They just showed their hand. If I would have waited like 15 more minutes, possibly would have got this. You know, I would have seen that. It's just engulfed, y'all. That's all. Right here. So it could turn around. It might turn around. We got news. Do we have news? We got more news. All I saw was 30-minute news. Alright, so it crossed. It hit. So my second idea was to come up and to be up in this area here. So let's just see if that play out. I really don't care about whether this trade, what was that? That was like a 34 clicks for that stop and that entry. It wasn't a setup at all. You know, if you think about it, look at the entry that I got in at. All right, so they showed me their move. Boom. All right, sell, buy. They are going up now, and they took this liquidity here. Let's see if we can get will they bounce off this insufficiency in price, this here, or will they get up to the institutional level in reverse? We'll see. We will see. Because this little push down here wasn't enough. You know, this wasn't enough push to basically say, hey, we're going to continue down, or, you know, try to get down up in here. I really wanted to see it push more, but it didn't. Let me check the 1 hour real quick. Alright, 1 hour is going to fly up now. She's going for my point of interest above. Alright, cool. Caught you. I like when I catch them. Because this is where I caught them at, right here. This would have been an entry. But they got up in this area here. Boom. To get up. They moved. Let me show you. This candle here. This candle, white candle, got engulfed the other candle. So this is a reason for them to move up. This was the liquidity grab. Now they reverse. Now, let's see where they go. See them all in this candle here. They didn't get to the 50% just yet of the Fibonacci. It's okay. Just want to see what's up. Was I right for wanting to get in up here? Right? Little stop there. Then continue down. Could that have been the move? This is going to be the second shot. But let me look on the lower. Let's just see how she plays off in this area. I just want to figure out where she's going. She didn't get to 50% yet. They did what I wanted to do though. Did take all these guys out right there. Did that. Alright, so we just get to push this over here. Will we get it? Will we get it? Looking at the 1 minute, she is still insufficiency in price. Still wanting to fill this area. Now I want to know, will she turn around at the institutional level? If not, if she continues to bust through it, then I know she's gone. She's flying. Oh, she's flying. She's gone. She's out of there. Come on, break above it. You have 15 seconds to close above this damn thing. Why do I have two reds? She closed above it. She went above. Boom, insufficient, like invalid here. She got up in this insufficient price action. Well, that's not insufficiency. This is a institutional level right here. So we could actually catch that institutional level. She got in that. That might be where the shot is. Yeah, let's try that and take her down. Now let's take her down. Maybe we could take her down now. So what is that? Let's see. What it would be. Just update the group real quick. That previous stop loss, it didn't pan out. It was looking good, looking like she wanted to go, but nah, that's not the one I'm looking for. And this isn't quite what I'm looking for I want to see if we can play off of that. That's a 1 minute. Maybe we get it. Where are we at right now? 23, 30, 23. Let's go for it. Mm, 23.44. Or are we going to get up here to where I was looking left at? Let's go back to it. 5 minute. All right. Oh no, we didn't quite get. We got above these highs here, so these guys are out here. Yeah, we can go ahead and go for that then. 20. 8, 6. All right, let's try that one. Oops, I'm putting X's everywhere, y'all. That one didn't give me what I was looking for, but the next one will. We can come back down here. Possibly come back down here. I had it over here. But we're looking good. So they took one side. Now they had to take the other. This is what I was waiting on. Waiting on them to take one side and then switch, go to the other, and take the other guys. This is what I was waiting on. This took these guys out. This candle did it. Now, this candle comes up, takes these guys out, take all of these guys out. You know what I mean? And then I marked up an institutional level on the 1 minute, right? This could have been an entry. My institutional levels are my entry. Boom. Now we sell down. Maybe we get the sell to continue to the downside. Maybe we don't, you know. It is what it is. It's Friday. We've been smashing markets all week. It's okay if she taps us one good time. I mean, for real, it's alright though. I like the game. I'm seriously still looking at this here. This candle here, this area here is just enticing me. We could be wrong here. Now, if I can't catch her and I actually see which way she's going, then I'm going to change my bias. I'm going to be like, all right, cool. We're aiming for levels above versus aiming for levels below. We still got all this above, y'all. But it's like right now we're going into actually this is phase accumulation down here, and then it's look like it's doing like a markup or whatever. Could strongly be a markup area, but then again, you just don't know. So what do? We just have patience and wait. I wanted to see this candle fall. I want to see this area right here fall. Boom. Here. We can get... We actually took liquidity of this candle. And now it's looking like we reversing. Gave us a nice little 5 minute doji. We could continue this market down here. So, I already gave this signal. I gave you guys another one. If I'm wrong on the second one, then I'm just going to reanalyze and change my bias. But not too many times often I'm wrong back to back. Just early here. Probably just a little too early here. I mean, I even could have gave it like, I wanted to give it the pips above. Even if I did 50 clicks, it would have got popped. right? But it was like at 30, 35 clicks or something like that. I don't know. Where's the stop? 23.41. Where was it? 23.41 was the stop. But we did do a re-entry at 23.42. Is that it? Yeah, I caught it a little late after the analysis. 23.42. We might be able to get that to push back down. So that might be it right there. You never know. I like how price action was right here. They took the bottoms, now it came up, took the tops. They extremely took it, but they took it, you know. So it's just now just a matter of time of being looking at these markets and being patient now. Still investigating. I do a lot of investigating. I look back. I look, try to do a lot of back testing. Just to see what's happening, what's going on. There's a lot of commotion happening up in this area, like find time to pick the data. Want to jump in these markets with all this commotion happening, but I'm seeing what happened. They took liquidity here, top. Now we can reverse. We can continue down to the downside. That's what I'm wanting. That's what makes sense. But if it doesn't play out, then hey, we're done for the week. We'll just take this little small ass L. And what is it? What's the stop on this one? 7 clicks, 7 pips. That's all I'm gonna risk. It's 7 pips. Let me see here. I'm 42. 20 clicks out at this entry, at this price. 20 clicks out at this price. 7 clicks out. That's it. Done. I'm not gonna risk any more today. I'm finished. And that would be an accumulation of like 30, 40, about 57 pips of, loss today, which isn't bad compared to what we've been winning. We've won hundreds of pips this week. Strong chance of us continuing up. Look at this price action is here. Came down, filling it up, continuing up. Could we get up to 23.46? Yes, we could. We have to wait and see. There is a gap sitting right there. See this gap? Let me move this out of the way. Because this is the candle that we want. This is the gap that's right there. Another point of interest area that I'm looking at. Let's see. Drag that baby over. All right. This is gonna be it. That's it for the day. It's what, 9:21, and this is gonna be the trade for the day. Let me get rid of that, and let me copy link, paste it for the group. Let's go with that one. Delete this one. They don't need that one. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we can delete it. Boom. All right, guys, this is it. Last trade idea for the day, or for the week, should I say. I'm just gonna, if this doesn't plan out, then it is what it is, guys. Yeah, what it is. Then move on to the next day. We got more trading ideas coming up next week. So if I get hit, if my alert goes off, then I know that's it. I'm out. Move on. Enjoy my weekend. We've been killing it all week, and I want to thank everybody that's been coming to the stream, following me, asking questions. Very grateful for you guys. And for you new people, I appreciate you. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, so this way every time I do go live, you are notified. Let's see what we got going here. Can we get this popping off? Well, looking at this here, I'm starting to believe that she could continue up, so that might be a wrap for this week. But we're just going to hold it. What is this? What, 7 clicks? I mean, I should definitely give it more than that. But if I'm wrong, I want it tight. And if I'm right, then I want a big reward off of it. Alright, well, been on the stream for 1 hour and 22 minutes now. I'll only be clocking the time because I got a baby. I need to go take care of the baby. Make baby bottle. You know, change baby diaper. Put on her cartoons. Her educational cartoons. Alright, well, we're just going to let this bad boy play out. I'm seeing liquidity here on the lower time frame too. They building that up. They took everything to the top here. Everything up here is gone. Look, this price is now, it was insufficient, is now sufficient. Do y'all see that? They made price sufficient now. Alright, it was insufficient here. This is a gap. 9 times out of 10, they will come back and get it. Look what they did. They tapped into it a little bit right here. Then they kept moving down. Moving down. Where we go? Aiming for this liquidity here. Boom. They snatched that liquidity. Move to the other side. What do? They filled the gap. 9 times out of 10, they will do it. We just don't know when they're going to do it, but they will do it in the future. And now I'm trying to see, well, will we continue to get the push to the downside? Or will we fly up? You know? But I got a tight stop here at 7 pips, so, hey. If I'm out 7 pips and we're done. You know what I mean? I'm going to just lose a good, I don't know. It's 35 and 7. 42 pips for the day. That ain't shit. But let's just let it play out though. Let that bad boy play out. But that's pretty much it, y'all. This is it. I mean, you guys got the trade. I want to see it play out. Just as bad as you guys want to see it play out. But you always got to keep in mind that there's a chance that it goes against you. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's all about, we're going to take losses in this game, y'all. Like, we've been undefeated for weeks. Now, let's, accept the fact that we could be wrong. And there's nothing wrong with that. You new traders need to accept that fact. That some of your trades are going to not go in your direction. They're going to go against you. Look, this one went against me. You know what I'm saying? This one is kind of, playing out, but trying to, like, go against me a little bit. You never know. And it could go against me. I don't care, guys. It's all about me playing my trade, my plan. And if I trade my plan and it goes according to plan, great. If it doesn't, so what? Move on. Let's set up a be there again next week. Alright. 9:30 is all I got with y'all. The time I have with y'all today. We're back at break even. Alright. Back at break even. And we're still kind of like pushing upwards, getting some hella momentum to the upside. So this trade might not play out, but that's okay, guys. Look, we could take 2 L's for the day. Ain't mounting up to nothing. We didn't even get loss of 50 pips. So it is what it is. If she continues, boom, she knocks us out. Fine, we're done. You know what I mean? We're done. Just go about your day. You feel me? Go do whatever you gotta go do for the day. Just whatever you do, don't try to revenge trade or anything like that. There's no need to, guys. We catching these moves all week. All week, we're catching these moves, and some of them are gonna hit and some of them won't, right? But we're still up no matter what. And if it hits, I'm gone for the day, and I'm going to go start my day. Just give them a few more minutes. Go ahead and hit my alert. Didn't hit my price. It's playing around with me. It might hit it, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. It might hit this price. It's not giving me it's 2 times it hasn't given me the push that I've been looking for. That's to let me know that you need to change your bias. You understand me? Like, it went above these highs and it's continuing. All right, cool. Boom. Let's just be out of it. So let me just update the group and let them know, like, hey, lost 7 pip loss here. Enjoy your weekend. Everybody enjoy their weekend. I know I am. Yep, 7 clicks. So that's why I put a tight stop there, because I didn't want to put a 50 pip stop and then it lose. You feel me? So which is fine. All right, cool. So, I mean, my next point of interest area before I go, I just want to show you guys what's been here. Now, I would like to see if it did play off there, then I was too early. I was a little too anxious for it. This is definitely too early. This one is, okay. But she did get up in my point of interest area that I was looking for earlier. So, I want to see how she plays off there. Will she play off of this area here? That's a real push-up right there. What time is it? 9:30. That's the volume right there. Real momentum coming in right here. Now let's see how she play. We lost 42 pips today, which is nothing compared to what we did all week. Filled the gap. You saw how she filled that gap real quick? She's feeling it. Look left. This is what I'm doing. I'm looking left. I'm looking to see if she's going to get into any of this candle right here. And if she does, then I'm like, all right, cool. This is already letting me know she's broke this trend. Now we're moving back up. All right. Not a big deal. I like to see her make her moves. And I'm going to be honest with y'all, I like being wrong sometimes. Because when I'm wrong, then I can get a long-term right. I'll be a short-term wrong, long-term right. And that's what you want. I come on here, I don't care if I do lose on stream. If I take a L on stream, or if I win on stream, I'm just going on here to trade my plan, right? I don't care if I'm right or if I'm wrong. I just want to see if my trading plan plays out. My idea. This was a kind of jumbled area. See, that was a no-go area. Let's see what else we got going on here. Rejecting off. Look at this. Look left. Look left, guys. Look what she's doing. This probably would have been a better position of a sale. I told you guys I wanted to get up in a sale in this area here. But then again, that could get smashed too. You feel me? 3 times a charm for me. You know, if I get knocked out of my position at least like 3 times, then I'm done. I'm actually done for the day. I'm like, all right, cool, moving on. And then I'm gonna just let everybody else do whatever they're gonna do in the market, and then I'll get in at a later date after I see another setup. This one, it came up in the area, my point of interest area, and smacked it. Now I want to know what else did it do over there. It went somewhere. It went here. What did it do? 1 minute insufficiency in price. Y'all need to have you know, transparency when y'all be doing your trades. You know, like me, I like to come on here and show you wins. Yeah, wins are great, but I also will show you if I'm losing. So that would have been a trade up in this area. So I could catch to see what they possibly would have done. That was a 17 click move right there. Move to the downside. Possibly it was just too freaking early today. Just too early to get in this trade. Now she wants to sell. Sell 23.44. I mean, we could try one more time. I mean, it looks good. It looks really good. Let's go for the 5 minute real quick. Let's look at the 1 hour real quick. Yeah, she got up in there. God, she got up in that area. Nice. Real nice. Let's see. That's a 30 click. That's a 30 click stop. I don't know about all that. That's 30. I mean, I could do another 30 click stop. I might be able to do another 30 click stop. Boom. Let them know. Let them know. TP4, I'm sorry, 23.47. Last but not least, let's try it. Now, guys, if the third one doesn't go, it just don't go, right? Because this would have been, this is another point of interest, and it actually reached it. Now I want to go to the 1 minute and see what's happening. All right, 44. Okay, cool. We might be able to get this little push down before we go. Already, I need her to get here. All right, take out all these guys here. This wick here, this wick there, this wick there, and this area here. Boom. Now we should see this trade. Let me move this here. That one was a no bueno. And I like to see, like, I tell you, I'm gonna leave these on here because if I'm wrong, I need to know why I'm wrong. I just want to know why. A lot of people are buying this market right now. Man, we got some serious buys happening in this market. What's happening? Let me go to 1 hour. Oh, the momentum of the 1 hour is up. All right, we did get some nice little volume. I want, if we do get stopped out here, my next my next thing would be aim for all these. But we're still, hold on. No. We still are in an area where the trend hasn't been broken yet on the higher time frame, but she could still break the trend and continue up. But it's a lot of candles before we could really find that out on the 1 hour, unless she just takes one candle and just like flies up, which I doubt will happen. So we're just gonna watch her here. This is the last target that I'm going to go for. It's the last little third time's a charm shot. Third time's a charm. Listen, there's nothing wrong with catching it. Look, you're gonna lose a lot of trades trying to catch this market to actually get a feel or understanding of what's going on with these markets and what's happening. Understanding price action. You're gonna have some spots, like as you can see here, I've had some spots of where I would have got in at and they still went against me. Where I would have got in at, the next spot went against me. But the third spot didn't go against me. So I'm like, all right, well, the third one probably went. You know what I'm saying? So let's just look. 3 times a charm. Let's go for it there. Let me just get a link real quick. Face. Face. And drop this for my VIPs too. Face. And now they got a trade. Now let's see. This looks a lot better. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. The momentum coming in looks a lot better. The volume coming in looks a lot better. I dropped this trade in the SIG group. If you can see all the stuff that I'm updating, guys. You can see everything that I'm updating on here. Not leaving nothing out. I'm not hiding anything. Reply. Where did we reach? Did we reach yeah, we reached TP1 already. On the third shot. Third shot reached it. All right, cool. So, let's just do that. Okay. Let's see if we can continue to these dollar signs down here. Maybe not. You know, we just wait and see. And I'm gonna be honest with you. We just hit TP1. All right. Not quite ready to put her at break even just yet. We hit 39. We didn't get to TP2 yet. But we hit 39 clicks. She's floating about 20 clicks. We can do break even just to, you know, make sure we don't lose a trade. We don't want to lose a third time. Shit. Alright, I'm gonna break even this chart. Alright, so we're now at break even. If she does come back and smack us, it's not a loss. It's not a win, but it ain't a loss. Alright, so that's it for the day. That's all I got for the squad. That's all I'm gonna do for today, and then just let the rest ride out. If she does tag this this price at 23.44, we will be out at break even. All right, we did lose 35 here and 7 clicks there, so about 42 clicks today. But you never know, we might end up getting that. This could be a runner, you know. So we're at break even. Break even is the price that we're at now, 23.44. Let her ride until she comes back up and smack you. So I'm gonna just put a right here alert. Put an alert above this right there, just to see if this will alert me come to my Apple Watch. Probably come to my Apple Watch and let me know, hey, trade has hit break even. You know, update the group, let them know that trade was break even. But just looking at this right now, I ain't even gonna lie. This is starting to make a lot of sense now. But it's a whole lot of noise happening up in this area. Right? We did get this push up. We got this push down to the push up. Now I want to see her come back down. But if she doesn't, it is what it is, guys. Thank you for trading with me today. I really appreciate it. Just know that I am here anytime. The way that I trade actually plays out probably about a good, I want to say 90% of the time. 10% of the time, I'm wrong because I'm early and I have to chase her. You know what I mean? Figure out, like, wait, let me read it real quick. Read the book real quick. Let me see what the story's saying. And then I'll find my position and I'll smash it. 100, 200, 300, 400 click. All right? Too easy. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys off at real quick. I'm just going to leave this up. And I have to go and tend to my daughter. Okay? Yeah. See? Baby monitor. She's sleeping, but she's wiggling around like a little worm. So she's probably going to want her milk. She needs some milk. Alright, but anyways, this is the last trade for those that's late. And we've been on this thing for an hour, 42 minutes. I've been talking, yo. I need some tea. I need tea. I need orange juice. And some lemon water, something. Yeah, this is it. And this one looks a lot better than this setup. As you could tell, like, this setup was in traffic. This setup was above the traffic, right? If you want to play above the traffic or below the traffic. Don't play in the traffic, all right? This is a very bad example. All right, so this here is where you will want to play above. And I had already had my point of interest. I knew she was going to get up here. I just didn't think she would just get up there right now. But she got there. So now the rest of this, I'm going to tell you right now. I'm predicting. Now, don't say I'm a wizard. But this market could come further down here, back down to the 23, 30, 31 area. I'm just saying, just the look of it, the way she did the setup here, and the push up, and in reverse, because if this market was going to continue, it should have just continued up. But instead, they reversed. So, but let me look at the higher time frame real quick before I go. I love these charts, y'all. I love this game. I could play this game all day like Call of Duty. I'm not getting paid for Call of Duty. I'm getting paid for this. Look at that point of interest. Man, nice. I could have been probably a little bit more spot on too, but you never know. All right, but let me see something. 5 minute. Are we hitting? Yep. 2340 has been hit. So let me update the group real quick and let them know. TB2 has been smashed. Apply. All right. Now, again, we are now at break even. Looks like we might end the week off pretty good. We're 40 clicks up. So think about it, guys. We lost 42 clicks, and now we're 40 clicks up. Think about that, man. I'm telling you, you could lose 70% of the time. It just takes one trade to run for you. But this one, it does like look really good to continue to the downside. So I'm just gonna let this baby play out for y'all. And I gotta go take care of my baby. Okay. Ooh, she's looking pretty. She's looking real pretty. I just want to be here for when they come down to my next TP area. Because at least I could be here to update the group and let them know that the third TP has been hit. And we should be looking to maybe this thing could continue. Or maybe not. Maybe it'll come up. But I'm honestly thinking that she might continue to the downside now. But I mean, to really make sure that she's doing, I want to see her get below this low. Right? It's way below our TP area, TP3 area, but I want to see her get down here. And then this wick right here looks really yummy. All right? So that's pretty much it. That's all I got for y'all right now. I'm going to go ahead and throw that little music on for y'all while we watch this baby play out. And I'll be back to update the group when it do. $23.38 is the last price that we're trying to reach now. What was I thinking being all up in this area? early morning. Probably still trying to wake up. But yeah, it played out good. Take liquidity to the top. It took liquidity here. This was my first idea that she was gonna go up. But now this is my idea that she's gonna come down. So I just had to wait a bit. Good morning, love. Alright, look like she's gonna hit my TP3, and that's pretty much it for the day, y'all. TP3 getting ready to get smashed. So y'all seen that here on live. So that's 60 clicks right there. TP3 is 60 clicks out, guys. TP3 smashed. There it is. We got the alert. You know what time it is. And I'm letting them know, update the group right now. So y'all see how this played out. It's pretty good. Pretty good play there. All TPs have been smashed. Alright. Because I'm a sniper. Guys, and that's it. She has hit my last TP3. I am done for the day. Everybody got their shmoney. We are more than break even now. We are up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'll see you guys Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Enjoy your weekend. Mo Diesel out.